Friends, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. The managing committee has really put in extra efforts to ensure that you people get this course in Vijayawada. And what all compromises, what all adjustments we have done, we know it well. And this being one of the most important courses, as it is a diploma course and it is a post qualification diploma course, it is having its own sanctity. In time to come, one thing is for sure that we are seeing already in the bank audits, concurrent audits, including statutory audit. When you talk about the audit trail, you have to actually have knowledge of systems. And fortunately, today we have good speakers who are able to give their lifetime experiences with you. So, what I would like to tell you is information system audit, people are thinking that it is only computer, computer, and computer. No, it is process oriented also. So, which you all have actually gone through everything. Ravi Kishore sir, tell me one thing that when you talk about a process, procurement to pay or cash to order to cash, we all know that, right? The process of entire narration, which we do it for the purpose of audit, that need to be mapped for the computer systems. That is the only thing. We created something in our head as a fear that technology audit means something tough. But take it from me, friends, if information technology you think it is tough, GST is 10 times tougher than information system audit, and 20 times tougher is income tax. I'm not joking, because there are so many provisions, so many sections, so many notifications, so many things. When we could actually do so much well in GST and income tax and audits, just tell me one reason that we cannot do system audit. It is one single straight line process audit. That's it. Step by step, where is the lacuna which is there, that processes which you need to find out. So I do not want to take much time, but one thing which I would like to tell you is my chairman Charanjot Singh Nanda sir and myself have tried our level best to reach out to the door to every member to give them the best possible learnings in the information technology. I don't know how many of you are participating in GloPack, but just go back and see. Most of the topics have been relevant with the technology. And technology is going to be the future of this profession. Rather, not future, it is already started. And it is time where we need to actually get that little spark which we got. When GST came, many people who are not doing indirect tax practice, but everyone jumped into it and they learned it, right? Similar is the case where we have to look at such kind of situation. Point number one. Point number two, we have 31,000 chartered accountants who have actually qualified DISA course. 31,000. And not even 310 I know who are actually practicing GST, this information technology. Third important part is, if you have to do practice in information technology, you need to collaborate among each other, work together. Might be what will happen individually, you will not be able to work on your client. But if you two or three people are coming together, not only on your client, but you'll also work on your friend's client who is associating with you. So technically, the pool of clients will become bigger in time to come, and you will actually work as a unity. The third point was that. Fourth point, most important point, when you are going through this entire course, note which are those softwares, tools which are required to be understood by you, which is very important. They are very simple. We just in ignorance, we miss out. That is most important part which you have to learn, tools and technologies which not need to be used. Fifth point is very simple. If you have to buy certain tools and technologies, only and only it can happen if you come together, and buy those tools, so that cost optimization is going to happen for all you people. That is where we have actually missed out. That is where the networking is going to actually help us out. Sixth point is basically try to collaborate with people who are from technology background. If you are able to collaborate, what will happen is when you are pitching in for an engagement, you can do a joint cost collaborated approach, which will give you more benefit. These all points which I am sharing with you, friends, is primarily what is my learning, how did I develop myself. And the last and the most important point is it is not what all I talked is sufficient. The final point is how to start an engagement and close an engagement is something which you need to learn from our speakers who are come there to take classes for you. So my humble request to you all people is this 7 8 points, if you are able to keep it in mind while going through this deliberation, because when is the next batch going to come? Honestly, I don't know how these managing committee people have really worked hard. Godavari Srinivas sir, Kishore sir, and the chairman, everyone. I can just show you on my phone how many calls I have got to ensure that this batch should happen for our Vijayawada branch. So please note, this is an opportunity, and this is where you need to think about how do you actually get a small group of people who have completed their DISA and who are completing their DISA in process, who actually completed the classes but could not take examination. Think about, my request is Srinivas sir, that you collaborate with all people, ensure that 10 20 people come together, and then Jayant, you are also sitting there. My request to you is take youngsters, seniors, middle-aged people together to form a nice group, because technology learning is similar or easier than GST learning. I am telling you all. Only thing is you need to attend the classes, which is very important. So my best wishes to you all people, and anywhere you think that you need an extended session, or you think that you need a special class for doing something, though might be physically it might not be viable because of our cost constraints. Virtually, if anything you require, repetition required, just get back to us. We'll ensure that it is available for you. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daya sir. So these type of leaderships is very much required at our head office level, wherein when two times I specifically spoke to Dayas and Colin because we were helpless, and the committee secretary was so adamant that only the batch could be initiated once only 30 members have enrolled for themselves. But at 26 or 27 level, what has happened is and also the members who have already paid for this are getting bogged down because of frequent 1 or 2 times it has been extended. But that day when I spoke to Daya sir and myself and the chairman Narendra spoke to him, he assured one thing. Ravikishore Garu, don't bother. I will take care of it. See, and it is confirmed that the batch will take place and it will commence on 28th. That is the assurance the vice chairman he, along with the chairman sir, he also gave the phone to Nanda sir, and Nanda sir also assured that it will definitely start on 28th, and we have revised our budget. 1 or 2 people have again after that they have enrolled themselves, and now this is a reality. Sir, on behalf of the managing committee of Vijayawada branch, as well as all the participants of this DISA course of this batch, we appreciate and also we thank your efforts to seeing that this batch will commence on this day. So thank you
On
very
this
much, sir.
day, sir, this day is very important. Today is my marriage anniversary, sir. So it was very important for me to
So,
gift myself.
on behalf of all of us here, we wish you a very happy marriage day, sir,
Thank you
and
very much, sir.
have a great day and year ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you,
Right.
sir. I will hand over the session to the today's faculty.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks all to you.
It is only shared to only those persons who are attending. If it is okay, otherwise, it's more of a sort of a discussion. So they don't put the even if they see the explain to you, it's better they.